ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് പോകുന്നത് അക്കൗണ്ടിങ്ങിൻ്റെ കുറച്ച് MCQs ആണ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഈസ് ദ പ്രൈം ഫങ്ഷൻ ഓഫ് അക്കൗണ്ടിങ് ഈസ് ടു ഓപ്ഷൻസ് റെക്കോർഡ് ഇക്കണോമിക് ഡാറ്റ, പ്രൊവൈഡ് ദ ഇൻഫോർമേഷണൽ ബേസിസ് ഫോർ ആക്ഷൻ, ക്ലാസിഫൈയിങ് ആൻഡ് റെക്കോർഡിംഗ് ബിസിനസ് ട്രാൻസാക്ഷൻ, attain non-economic goals. And the answer is record economic data. Moving on to the second question. The basic function of financial accounting is to options record all business transactions, interpret financial data, assist the management in performing functions, and fourth one, none of the above. And the answer is record all business transactions. Third question. The person who brings capital in business is called option debtors, creditor, proprietor, none of the above. And the answer is proprietor. Fourth question. A person who owes money to the firm is known as options debtor, creditor, supplier, none of the above. And the answer is debtor. Fifth question. Accounting principles are generally based on options objectivity, subjectivity, convenience and personal interpretation, none of the above. And the answer is objectivity. Sixth question. The policy anticipate the profit and provide for all possible losses arises due to options convention of consistency, convention of conservatism, convention of full disclosure, and convention of materiality. And the answer is convention of conservatism. Seventh question. Revenue is generally recognized as being earned at the point of time. Options sale is made and ownership of goods transferred, cash is received, production is completed, sales are effected, or cash is received, whichever is earlier. The answer is sale is made and ownership of goods is transferred. Eighth question. The system of recording transactions based on dual aspect is called options dual account system, double entry system, cash accounting, single entry system. And the answer is double entry system. Moving on to the ninth question. According to which of the following accounting concept, even the proprietor of business treated as a creditor of business to the extent of his capital? Option money measurement concept, dual entry concept, going concern concept, separate entity concept. And the answer is separate entity concept. Moving on to the 10th question. According to going concern concept, a business is viewed as having options a limited life, going to be liquidated after 100 years, an indefinite life, none of the above. And the answer is an indefinite life. 11th question. According to the concept of conservatism, stock in trade is valued at options cost price, market price, cost price or market price, whichever is less, cost price or market price, whichever is higher. And the option is cost price or market price, whichever is less. Moving on to the 12th question. Recording of capital contributed by the owner as liability ensures adherence to the principle of options double entry, going concern, separate entity, materiality. And the answer is separate entity. 13th question. The basic concept related to balance sheet are options cost concept, business entity concept, accounting period concept, all of the above. And the answer is all of the above. 14th question. The double entry concept is that asset plus liability is equal to capital, capital minus liability equal to assets, capital equal to assets minus liabilities, and none of the above. And the answer is capital equal to assets minus liabilities, or assets equal to capital plus liabilities. Moving to the 15th question. A business owes money to options: debtors, creditors, investors, shareholders. And the answer is creditors. 16th question. Creditors account is a personal account, real account, nominal account, none of the above. The answer is personal account. 17th question. Which of the following account is not a real account? Options: building account, bank account, closing stock account, and goodwill account. The answer is bank account. Moving on to the 18th question. Which of the following is a real account? Options: drawing account, outstanding rent account, bank account, and closing stock account. The answer is closing stock account. 19th question. Which of the following is a nominal account? Options: drawings account, outstanding interest account, salary account, and machinery account. Answer: salary account. Last question. Sale of goods to Rani for cash shall be debited to Rani account, cash account, sales account, none of this. And the answer is cash account, because here the transaction is done for cash. Even though the name is mentioned, the transaction is or sale of goods is done for cash, so we have to debit this with the cash account. Okay, thank you.